Well, friends, it's me, Jeanette, Inspirational Design. Well, here I am in my kitchen. It's been a while since I put up a video for everybody to see. Sorry about that. A lot of things going on. Had to take care of, and of course remodeling. Well, I want to show you this wall here in my kitchen. You see there? This wall leads, there's the basement door right there, down to the basement. And here's my beam. But we've been doing a lot of electrical work, changing things out for the refrigerator, the stove, and my microwave. This is what we're doing. We're putting shiplap on this wall, on these sides, and on the other side over here, over there. And this is what that we have accomplished yesterday. We ran wires up from this one box right here, and we put a wire up here for my light that I'm going to have 2 shelves. I'll show you guys my designs that I did that I'm going to do to this wall. I drew it on the wall, and I'm not a great artist, but it's doable. But anyways, back to the electric. We ran a wire all the way through here. I put this tape on just to cover up the holes. See there? That's why. And I, because we're putting shiplap up. And this is a wire, so when I put the shiplap up with these red lines, that is where all the studs are at. So I have to be very careful, because that's the wire right through here going toward this light that will be in my pantry, okay? And this is the one we ran from here, and we got an additional plug for my refrigerator. And this would be up above the stove. Okay, now let me show you guys my little drawing that I did. You're gonna laugh. You can't make sense of it too much, but this is the top shelf right there with the light, and this is the second shelf toward the refrigerator right here, and pots and pans hanging, and this is the second shelf. There's my little cabinet. Isn't that cute? And here's my stove, and there's my cabinet, my tall cabinet, pantry, and the lights right there on the side. Isn't that going to be cute? Isn't that different? And the shiplap will be on the wall. So these are my plans that I drew on here back in the day before we got started on this wall. It's been a long process. I mean, believe me, we have worked hard in this house. We leveled this floor as well. This floor was caving in. When we bought this house, we were told that the floors were not on level. But then, people say things like that, but then you find out otherwise when you move in. So we had to level every bit of this up around this wall before we laid our new floors. And yes, we did lay our floors. They're rustic. I love the pattern and the colors in them. And we did lay all the floor in the house. And here's our front door. Okay, we're going to be hanging the new front door, which is going to be really beautiful. Here is the top glass right there. And it's going to be full glass door, which I love. I did the pantry as well, but I'll be showing you guys all that. Now this is before, and then I'll be showing you a picture after. I hope that you all like this, what I've been doing day and night, my husband and I, of course. But let me take you on around. Here's that little cabinet. We got new countertops. That's the new countertop. And here's my tile. I want to show you guys that. Look how pretty on the back of the wall here. I'm going to put it on this wall. See? It's going to be covered all the way down. The cabinets are coming down at the top. And he's building me a real nice cabinet this way. It's going to be beautiful in the farmhouse sink. And I took the dishwasher out because I don't need a dishwasher. It's just me and my husband. Like I said, this is a cozy little house. See you guys later. Have a good day. And thank you for being patient. Bye.